Happy morning, Priya ma'am.
Hi, happy morning. Hello, kids. How are you?
So nice to have you.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, happy morning, respected guests, our Principal Aruna Maheshwari ma'am, my dear parents, students, and team members. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all for today's event to encourage social entrepreneurship action. That is our Young Entrepreneur Elevator Pitch 2021, first of its kind for the Tipsians. So, the success of the young entrepreneur will be the key to India's transformation in the new millennium, quoted by Dhirubhai Ambani. So, it's very important to have young entrepreneurs coming up, and I think it is the responsibility of the parent community, teacher community, to support you young students with your innovative ideas. Today we have with our a special guest, young entrepreneur, Miss Vidya Priya, sorry, Vishnu Priya from Blissful Bites. They offer healthy bakes with good quality ingredients, free from maida and white sugar, one of its kind in Salem. They do special hampers for family occasions and parties, also exclusive hampers for Christmas, New Year's, Diwali, and many other religious festivals. For more delightful information about Priya's Blissful Bites, you can follow her in the Instagram. Ma'am, we look forward to hear your feedback to encourage the entrepreneurial spirit among the students. Our students have inquired into the interconnectedness of human made systems, social decision making, economic activities, and their impact on humankind and environment. Today, they are ready to launch their business plan to prove the fact that economic activity relies on systems of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Here we start the day spreading peace and respect for each other. Once again, I welcome you all for the event.
Yeah, thank you so much for such a warm invite. Thank you so much for that. And I'm very eager to
Thank you.
hear.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.
Happy morning. Myself and my friend Darun are here to pitch our business plan. Our business name of the day is Future Logo Developers FLD. Our slogan is a logo like never before. Our business is a service. Logo and slogan. The circle and the crown represents that we are kings of logos. Our location. The business location the business location is near the Indian Public School main campus. Why our business is unique? Darun and myself are very good at designing logos. Second, we will understand the customer need and design logo. Three, we charge minimum prices in comparison to the market price. 4. We design free cost of logos those who follow the sustainable development goals. Our target customers: schools, parties, religious places, electronic brands, tire brands, many more. Cost. A logo design will cost between rupees 0 to rupees 1000. Designing and printing. A small size logo rupees 54 per unit. A medium size logo 60 rupees rupees 60 per unit. A large size logo rupees 100 per unit. We will have 80% of profit. For example, if we sell a logo for rupees 300, we will have a profit rupees 240. Sustainable development goals. 13. Climate action. Free logos for organization working towards climate action. 4. We share some of our profit towards quality education in rural areas. 17. Partnership for the goals. Partnership to develop the business. Thank you. Have a great day.
Abhinav, you have done a great job, man. So impressive and a very
Thank you, ma'am.
you carried it very well and a very great team effort. So good to hear from you. And in future, do develop logos for me too. Will you do that?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So nice, wow. It was very nice actually. Very simple, crisp, and me too. Whatever you have to convey, you have conveyed it very well. Spirit, you have come very well. So good. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for the presentation, Dia.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the very best.
Yes, my dear. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Happy morning. I'm Aditi of grade 5A. Today I'm going to present my business plan. The organic shop, let the healthiness spread. This is our logo and this is our slogan. We sell goods and do a service. Our target customers will be doctors, school owners, teachers and chefs. Our location. As we will be doing an organic business, we thought it is best to do it in a part of the home during the pandemic. Sustainable goals. We will follow sustainable goal number 6, clean water and sanitization. Number 8, good jobs and economic growth. Number 12, responsible consumption. And number 17, partnership for the goal. We sell bamboo clothing. Fabric made from bamboo is incredibly soft. Bamboo clothing is dry, cool, fresh, and is perfect for sensitive or allergy prone skin. We are also planning to sell mural painting. Kerala's mural painting is an art which is completely organic, painted with fruits and flowers extract. We will be selling fruits, vegetables, spices and grains. Partnership. We are planning to partner with Shivan Drawing School. As planned, Shivan Drawing School will be supplying us the mural painting. We are also planning to partner with Happy Moments, a business plan by my classmate Vedanshi. And as planned, we will be supplying our fruits and vegetables for gift hampers, written gifts and many more. We will be partnering with Hasni's Fruit Commission and as planned, Hasni's Fruit Commission will be supplying us the fruits and vegetables we sell. Thank you. This is Aditi. We are also planning to deliver to your home. For online shopping, please search www.theorganicshop.com. Thank you. See you soon.
So good, Aditi. Very impressive. Organic shops are the future, actually. So very good plan, and do carry on it in future. You have clearly specified your target customers and very viable plan. Like starting it from the home, it is very better, and you will have a minimum investment, and it has so much of liveliness in it when it comes to organic. A very good plan, dear. You have done a very good job, and it's very, very impressive. Thank you so much for such a wonderful presentation, dear. Thank you so much, Aditi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy morning, everyone. My business is ice cream shop. My business name is Ice Cream Monday. This is my logo. My target customers are kids like me and adults. My location is in Hastanbatti, MDS Nagar, Eden Garden. This location is good for my business because there are many kids around the area. Can you see this ice cream? This ice cream is made out of milk. If you eat this ice cream in 30 seconds, you get it for free. Menu. We have rose petal ice cream, milk ice cream, strawberry pink ice cream, sugar lollies, blueberry ice cream, and etc. Here I got blueberry ice cream,
Oh, wow.
rose petal ice cream, sugar lollies. Last.
Okay.
My ice cream is different from other ice cream because my friend Hasha has some lot of cows. They give us milk every day. So I make every evening and in the morning I'll get the ice cream and it's made out of fresh milk. Thank you.
Nice presentation, Dia. It's so good. Nice that you showed your ice creams and all for us. It will be very good plan, and your target customers will be all age group people. They are not only kids and adults will love it. Even myself and many, even the old age people would love it actually. No one could say a no for ice creams actually. Very nice presentation, Dia. Thank you so much for that. It's very creative and very nice. Good to hear from you. Thank you so much for that presentation, Dia.
Happy morning. I am Hasni from grade 5A. My business name is Hasni Fruit Commission, an extension of the family business. We sell goods. Slogan Better Fruits. This is our logo. Currently, the family business a wholesale fruit commission. We buy fruits from different parts of India. The supply chain involves farmers, the sellers to us, we, then the local shopkeepers and the customers. Change to the family business. 1. To have direct contact with the local farmers and plan for organic fruit farming. Change to the family business. 2. Prepare fruit jams and fruit tin pulps from the leftover stocks to reduce waste. Change to the family business. 3. Promote seasonal fruits. Target customers. Customers of all age. Target location Salem Town Wholesale Market. Selling price. Cost price, farmer's price plus 10% profit involving transport, labor, storage and packing. Sustainable goal. Promote responsible consumption and production. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hasani. It was a very good business plan. And you were so expressive in presenting your presentation with so much of liveliness. It was so good. And I appreciate one thought process like the cost price and with just 10% of profit. That was a very, very reasonable thing and a very good plan. And also to your thought process of reducing the wastage, that is very much important here, and I'm very happy you took that point into this presentation. That is very much needed now. Wastage of food, which is happening everywhere, and you're taking some initiative to reduce it. That's very much appreciable, dear. Thank you so much for the presentation, dear. And you
Thank you,
continue,
ma'am.
and you have your changes for the family business, right? The jams and all those things. That was very thoughtful, and people will really love it. You'll have a good demand for your product when it is coming from the organic farm. You'll have a very good demand for it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep that expressiveness. Your presentation is very lively. You took us. Thank you so much. Expressing to your hands and thing. It was very nice, dear. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, my name is Mahadya. Name of the business. Earring is trendy. I design the earrings, make and sell. My place is located in my home. I think it is a good place in pandemic. It is an online business. I don't have competitor in grade 5A. A pair of earring is 50 rupees. but for first time buyers, you get a 10% off offer. Pay only rupees 45. I will show some of the earrings what I made. This is the earring,
That's so cute.
gold pearl white stone earring.
That's nice, Adimadya.
Thank you, ma'am. This is white flower earring.
Oh, okay.
This is string earring.
Uh-huh.
I will share my logo and slogan.
Sure.
Thank you, Mahadya. It's up.
Yeah, yeah.
Our ears show the fashion. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahadya. It was very interesting presentation, and your offer for 10% or something for the initial days. That is a very catchy idea. I'm so happy for that. You're doing such things, and
Thank you, ma'am.
all age girl kids from till the age old, they will love your handmade earrings. It's a very good idea, and doing it online and from home, it's a good cost cutting method. Very nice. You had
Thank
thought
you,
process,
ma'am.
Nadia.
Should I start, ma'am?
Yeah, you can go ahead, Marin.
Hi, happy morning. I am Maran from grade 5A. My business is a drawing school. The name of my business is Sri Sivayanama Drawing School. My business is a good and a service. This is my logo. And my slogan is we teach them to draw and sell it. When we sell their drawing, we will when we the cost will be from rupees 100 to 1000,
Oh,
and then the profit for us is the we give half of the profit to the owner of the drawing.
oh,
And then these are some example of drawings.
so good.
We also teach painting, pencil art, oil pastels, merging lessons, and these are some colors I'm going to use. And this also is called a geometrical drawing, which I
Oh,
made.
that's nice, Marin. Very different.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's very nice, Maran. A good, excellent presentation of ideas, and
Thank
I
you,
love
Mom.
your logo so much. And
Thank
you
you.
people help each other and grow each other. That is very much needed now at this point of time. Good to
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you are doing that. From the small, when you inculcate such habits, it's a very good sign, dear.
Thank you,
So
Mom.
nice to hear.
Thank you, my dear.
Pet's Kingdom.
Okay.
Need a pet friend always. Feeling lonely, no one to play, feeling sad. Now you can change these feelings. Happy Space. Come and choose a pet to play with for 15 minutes. In our Happy Space for free. Get close to pets, play with them, and take back memories. Handle with care. Thank you.
Oh, Hamden, it was so thoughtful. I never imagined such a business plan, Hamden. It was so good. You love your pets so much.
Yes, ma'am.
So good, Hamden. Actually, pets are what you say. They are very close to heart, actually, and they give us so much good memories and soothing to heart. Very nice to hear, Hamden. Actually, thank you so much. It's a very good plan. It's out of the box, actually. No one will think of such things, and it's very new, and people will love it.
Hi, I am Sai Harish.
I am Vishnu Prasanna.
Our name of the business is SRG Furnitures.
We have furniture products for your complete lifetime.
From baby crib bedding to walking stick for grandparents.
We use three types of trees: neem, banyan, and bamboo.
These woods are good for health and environment. Our business is goods.
Our business is furniture store, so we are selling these goods.
Our business is located at our home.
Our house is the good location for our business because it is the safest place forever.
Our target customers are house builders, IT companies, hotels, shops, schools, and etc.
The materials needed and prices are natural wood,
7,000 rupees,
natural cotton,
2,000 rupees,
coconut fiber spring,
3,000 rupees,
cotton cloth,
500 rupees,
quality wood polish,
2,000 rupees,
woolen silk.
500 rupees.
The total quantity of materials is 6.
The total material of price is 15,000 for single cot bed.
We will charge 20,000 for our customers for a product.
Our sustainable goal for our business is number 1, no poverty, number 9, industry innovation and infrastructure, and number 17, partnerships for the goals.
We will partnership our business with Maran for the advertisement.
If we cut a tree, we will plant 5 trees.
There are no competitor in our business.
We used thinking, research, and communication skills for improving our products.
Our business is unique than other business.
Now, Vishnu will show the logo and advertisement.
This is the logo.
Very nice.
The slogan is furniture is the future.
So good.
This is the advertisement.
Very nice. Okay, Vishnu Prasanna.
Now Sai will show us all the digital logo, advertisement and business product video.
This is our logo.
Okay.
This is our digital advertisement of our business. The offers are available opening 2 weeks. And this is our product video of our business.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Such a beautiful presentation. It was very spectacular, Sai and Vishnu. So
Thank
nice.
you, ma'am.
And ideologies which I love very much was you have thought so much about environmental friendly goods. That's a very
Yes,
great
ma'am.
thing. And of all, very important thing is that if I cut one tree, I'll plant 5 saplings. That was a very, very great idea, and I bow for that. Really, that thought process is so good, and you kids are thinking so much for the future. Also, it's very thoughtful. Must appreciate your parents and your teachers for such thoughts to inculcate with you people. It's so nice actually, and your offers, 50% offer, everything was very good, kids. So nice to hear. And you can
Thank
tie
you,
up with
ma'am.
your engineers and builders so that they can suggest your brand to whichever place they are building. So that will also be a very good idea. And
Thank you,
every
ma'am.
handmade, what to say, your pamphlets, all those was very nice, very thoughtful. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much.
Happy morning to everyone. My name is Shashwat. My Business name is Cadbury Arts and Cooking. This is my logo. My slogan is always taste good. Target customer. My target customer are the artists, children, and adults are my target customer because artists and adults will be impressed with my artworks. Children and adults will like my cakes and cookies. Service are good. I chosen both because in the emergency the people cannot come for my shop like adults etc. So I decided to make home delivery which is easier for them. Location. My location is on the way to Aircard. Why this is a good location? When they go to Aircard, they will come to my shop. My cakes. Lava cake rupees 100, roll cake rupees 50, strawberry cake rupees 100, chocolate cake rupees 100, pista cake rupees 150. Piece cakes per unit. Strawberry rupees 10, vanilla rupees 5, pista rupees 15, lava cupcake rupees 15, banana cupcake rupees 10. Sustainable development goals. My sustainable development goals are zero hunger number 2, good health and well-being number 3, clean water and sanitation number 6, responsible consumption and production number 12, affordable and clean energy number 7, general equality number 5. Arts range starts from 100 to 500. My advertisement. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shashwat. It was a breathtaking presentation, actually. Combining arts and cooking was a very good ideology. And I loved your social responsibility thought process and all, wastage less, all those things. That was very nice. And your menu is so impressive. So good menu. I think you're a good competitor for me.
True.
I guess your bakes will be yummy. I'll come and visit your shop surely. And your ideology for the location was very good, because on the way to Eckhart was very good idea. Because many people now prefer to travel at least for a 15-20 minutes or something from their home, and they want to enjoy the ambience and have something. So that is a very great idea. Very thoughtful for your age.
Yes.
So nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, I am Vedanshi from grade 5A. My business name is Happy Moment, Guarantee of Happiness. My business is a service. We do manage events like birthdays, get-togethers, weddings, engagements, new openings, corporate meetings, and many more things. This is the logo of my business. H means happy, and M means movement. And this is the slogan of my business. Guarantee of happiness. Why is my business? Where is my business located? My business is located in my home. Why is this the location for my business? I think that working from home is a good idea in COVID spread. Partnership contacts I should have: Mr. Raja, Mr. Vishnu, Mr. Sai, Mr. Adish, Miss Hasini, Miss Mahadia, Miss Aditi, Miss Tia, and Mr. Rajkumar. SDG goal number 5: Gender equality. I will give equal jobs to men and women to work in my business. I will save 5% of my profit in each order. After a year, I'll help people out of the same money. What is the uniqueness of my business? We respect the culture of the orders we get. Talk to the family members, understand about how do they want their functions done. We make some home decors like this. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Vedanshi. That was a very flawless presentation. Making happy moments is what everybody expects now. So it is a very good idea. It was a very flawless presentation, Vedanshi. You did it so well, and it was so good. Creating happy moments is what everybody expects. and doing such events, communicating with the family members and everything, and giving a, what to say, a lively touch is very important. And you're helping each other with your friends and by tying up, that's a very great idea. And also tie up with the hotels which are available, so that they'll, when some event comes up, they'll remind you only.
Our bakery name is Cake and Bite. Our slogan is Come for yummy cakes and snacks. Our business is goods and service. When our location is way to your card. Our menu are cakes are coffee cake, strawberry cake, pineapple cake, banana cake, and mango cakes. Snacks are murukku, rava biscuit, groundnut chiku, semia balls, and banana chips. We use only honey for sweetness and wheat for cakes. Better. Target customers are all age groups are our target customers who love cakes. We are partnershiping with Happy Moments by Vedanshi, Hasani, Food Commission for fruits, and we have a unique idea like there is two sections in our bakery. One is the with we will allow dogs to come in. I'm going to partnership with Pet Kingdom by Hamdan because I need around 28 dogs because there is two places where it's with dog and without dog. They can eat my cakes with dog like many breeds like husky and many more. And one more place they can eat only cakes. They cannot. There will be a shit. They can see the dog from the front.
Okay.
That's and fruits for the organic shop. Our sustainable goals are first no poverty, second zero hunger, third
That's
good
okay. That's
health and
okay.
well-being, fourth is gender equality, fifth is clean water and sanitation, sixth is affordable and clean energy, seventh is decent work and economical growth, eighth is sustainable cities and community, ninth is responsible consumption on production, tenth is partnershiping for goals. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pranav. Both Pranav Kumaran and Raj Kumaran. It was a very good presentation, very creative and brilliant ideas. I think I have to learn from you people. Even I'm running a cake shop actually. I'm also doing from home, and your logo was very attractive. You can get it done from home, and your thought process of having a pet friendly and non-pet friendly ideology was very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was very, very thoughtful, very creative. No one would have thought for, and it will be one of the unique kind in Salem. Thank you so much, both of you.
Thank
It
you,
was a
ma'am.
very, very good team effort, and you people are supporting each other. That is a very nice thing, and keep doing that always.
Thank
Okay?
you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And we are at the end of the presentation. I think with that, that's the last presentation. We are done for the day.
Actually, very nice. A great opportunity for myself, kids, to interact with you all. And one thing I would say for all of you is that keep the spirit always on. Never and ever get demotivated. Okay? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
so much.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Lovely. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.